right, go ahead and start by removing the center cap. Then using your 22 millimeter, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Start by removing the ground terminal off of your battery. Set that aside. All right, we're going to go ahead and remove this wire harness clip right from the top of the strut stud. And then we want to go ahead and remove this blue clip right here for the electronic suspension. I'm going to go ahead and reach in here and push in on this metal clip on the back of the blue electronic connector and lift it straight up and disconnect it from the top of the strut. And we'll reach in the back and there's another harness connector here, just a little clip to pop that off. So all three of the studs are now exposed. I'm going to go ahead and start by removing the two lower studs on this unit. And this is a 15 millimeter. All right, we're going to use a pry bar and go between the lower control arm and the bottom of the strut and just pry that inward. All right, with the lower portion released, we'll go ahead and pull this up and out. All right, so before you install the new part, you want to go ahead and remove these retainer clips for the lower bolts. They just pop off with a screwdriver, line back up on the new piece, and the little tabs snap right into place. The kit does come with 2 new bolts for installation on the bottom, or you can reuse the factory bolts if you'd like to. Just going to remove the 3 factory nuts that come for the studs, set those aside, feed this in through the top of the upper control arm. Get these 3 studs lined up. Next, we'll go ahead and put the lower bolts in and get those attached to the strut itself. So now with the lower strut in, just position this. Tighten up these lower strut bolts to 37 foot-pounds. All right, we're going to go ahead and torque down the upper strut bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Reinstall the harness adapters there just to get them out of the way. And go ahead and reinstall this back onto the strut. I'm going to go ahead and torque the wheels down to 140 foot-pounds. I'm going to do this in a star pattern. And finish off by putting the center cap back on.